Hi guys, so today I'm coming in to share this recipe for a one-pot chicken stew that is delicious. It's been pretty cold out lately, so we need something to warm up our bones. Now for this recipe, you're going to need some chopped carrots, some potatoes. I used the small baby ones and I cut them into fours, some chopped onion, minced garlic, and some chicken thighs. Now to start off, you're going to brown your chicken in a little bit of olive oil. Now for seasonings, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. That's like my holy grail of seasonings. I add those seasonings to everything. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the chicken. And then we're going to start on our carrots and onions. We're going to saute that up a bit. Once that's nice and soft, we're going to add in our minced garlic and let that warm up. Now we're going to add in a little bit of chicken broth, just enough to scrape the bottom of the pan. You want to get all those bits and pieces because, girl, that is flavor. Next, I took some flour and blended it with a little bit of broth, and we're going to add that in. That's going to help thicken up our stew. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken back in. And then I'm going to top it off with the rest of my chicken broth. Now as that comes to a boil, you want to season it. I added in some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, a bay leaf, and some garlic and herb seasoning, I think. I'll always have the ingredients that I used in the description box. So next we're going to cut that down to a medium low, and we're going to let that simmer for about 25 minutes. You do want to add a lid, but you want to cock it to the side. You don't want to fully put it on there. Next, we're going to introduce our potatoes. Guys, one thing that I love cooking in the dark. Not in the full dark, but I love cooking with just the light from my stove. It is so relaxing. Love it. So we're going to let that continue to cook uncovered for 18 to 20 minutes. Just until your potatoes are nice and tender. Now I'm going to chop up some fresh parsley. And when it's done, I'm going to turn the fire off and go ahead and mix that in. This is definitely something that will warm up your bones and make you feel nice and cozy inside. Yeah,